over the next couple of years. If you have a vision for RFIs and submittals, get with JP, get in the program. All right, next on the agenda is our HCSS plans project. I'm really excited about this. The last UGM, we got a huge buzz around this. I think a lot of customers are really excited about automating their plans processes. I'm going to introduce to you Riteb. Riteb is the product manager for HCSS plans and has done just a great job getting this thing launched this year and getting it out to available use for all of you guys. Take it away, Riteb.
Thanks, Mike. We're really excited to share with you what we think is going to be a helpful tool as you continue to grow and adopt new technology to improve your business. Digital plan solutions have been around for years, but they were originally designed and developed for the vertical contractor. Even until today, those same systems that are available are still primarily focused on features that are related to the vertical contractor. HCSS has partnered with our heavy civil customers to develop the first digital plans management solution designed and developed from the ground up specifically for heavy civil construction. So not only is HCSS Plans the only plans management solution to integrate with Heavy Job, but employee handbooks, Heavy Job cheat sheets, and project documentation are all stored in one central location for all your employees to access and collaborate on, and all of this is available from the field. Now, three main differentiators that we feel that we have in HCSS plans that really makes us focus on the heavy civil industry is going to start off with the way that we annotate on our plans. And that's going to be our polygon tool. With this tool, we're able to map out on the complex shapes that we deal with day to day on our job site. From those complex shapes, we're able to use one of our other heavy civil focus features called our calculators. We have different types of calculators, and that list is ever growing every month. And you can do a dirt takeoff directly from the iPad. And then our third is going to be integration with our HCSS products. And we heard y'all loud and clear during the first UGM. Integration with Heavy Job, integration with RFIs and submittals that JP just talked about, and integration with trucking. This are all coming soon, and we know that that's what we need to do to get there. Now, in the latest release of Heavy Job, you're able to actually get to HCSS plans directly from the home screen. As you see here, it's a very familiar screen for almost everybody, but you have another button on there that you're able to add to the forefront. As you see here, I've added next to my diary for HCSS plans. Now, let's do a little walkthrough of a workflow and look under the covers of HCSS plans a bit. So here, once you have an administrator actually get into the system and upload a set of plans, a foreman is able to see those plans within seconds. They'll navigate to the project, and they'll select the sheet that they want to work on for the day. Once they've selected a sheet, the first thing that they're going to need to do is calibrate it. Now, this is a great example of how we are heavy civil focused, because not only do we have the ability to scale horizontally, but we have the ability to scale vertically as well. All digital plans management solutions allow you to lay squares and circles. But that's fine for vertical construction, right? But not necessarily for us in heavy civil. In heavy civil, typical job complexity led us to develop a polygon tool that allows us to map any shape to your job site. You're able to display your lengths, your areas, and volumes directly on your plan sheet, as well as offset by defined distances. Our collaboration feature allows HCSS users to collaborate on sheets with each other. So this feature is called layers. You're able to see what other users has annotated, notes, you're able to see attachments. So this example here kind of walks you through a locate crew actually coming out to a job site and taking photos of a utility and attaching the photo of the utility on the location of that utility on the job plan to where all foremen, all users of that plan sheet is able to see that information directly from their tablet in real time. To ensure that our employees are building off the latest revision, we always default to the latest version of the sheet. Now, if you ever want to compare changes between the latest revision and the previous version, you could use our revision overlay feature to do so. The reason why we offer so much precision with our annotations is that we want you to empower your employees to calculate the most precise quantities using our calculator feature. Using this feature is easy. And this is, again, another heavy civil feature in the system that allows you to estimate your trucking needs. Now, I talked a little bit about collaboration a couple minutes ago. So we're currently building an integration with our trucking application that will automatically create trucking orders directly from HCSS plans. HCSS plans is available now. To get started, you can reach out to your sales rep. You can visit our one-on-one booth. If you see me around, come talk to me. I'll be able to answer any questions that you have. And join us for breakfast tomorrow morning. We'll have a table set up with an HCSS plans poster. If you have any questions or if you want to see a demo of the product, come and talk to me. We'll have a couple other HCSS employees there to walk you through it. And thank you very much.
Very cool.